right, welcome back. Now, we don't start with some tips, things where you need to notice before you say, drop your resignation letter for that company where you work. Now, number 4, now we don't give you 3 tips already. We say number 1, when your personal relationship, they suffer. Number 2, when you get one boss where you know they allow you rest at all. Number 3, when you're not fitting. Now, number 4, when you're constantly stressed. You agree with him? Because I don't know.
You almost did the same thing with when your boss, they show you shaggy. Yes, because you don't. In fact, you don't hire. You don't reach here. Your cup don't full. Move. By the time you just get rest of mind. Yeah.
I agree, because if you come, you know, if you function, if it even as you they drive, go house, if you accident, anything can happen to you. I support this one. Number 4.
What do you think?
Me no really support them. If the pay is worth the stress.
Oh, of course. The pay has to be equivalent to the stress.
If the pay is worth the stress, I mean.
What is the pay like for you? Starting from what?
No.
If you they earn like say 500 a month, and then all you have to yourself is Saturday and Sunday, or just Sunday alone, self. Not a bad deal.
The pay is not worth my stress.
Okay. Now the last one, when your company not get any future. Now you take for company where it be say for you to even climb, it is very hard. They not even get climbing ladder. They not even get ladder where you need to climb. Now just one position now you get. Just one position. You need to quit that job and look for another job. You agree? I totally agree with this.
Absolutely, man. If now you the gates man, the cleaner, now the same you they drive, now the same you they clean, now the same you they do secretary job, everything. I mean,
You just spend me on the job.
As
Tomorrow,
you
somebody
never
will come
grow.
take your space.
That
go
company
on
no go
there.
ever. You don't edit say as this thing no go grow.
You no go
What's
grow.
the 5?
You never. They work for one company where they say they don't even get like. They don't get any ladder for you to climb. But the only ladder where they get now, let's say after 2 years, they'll come at 500 on your salary.
Now on a ladder.
I just want to. So you need to find your way. Trust me, you need to actually find
You
your
need
way.
to go to company where get step, no be ladder.
Yes, I tell you. All right, let's take our letter from the viewers.
Oh yes, letter from the viewers. My people, this story they very short but straight to the point, as the guy take put her. He said, "Dear Talk ladies, I beg to remain anonymous. Anonymous you shall be. As I dey so, I dey confused. I get one very close friend where I fit to do anything for, but for now we dey quarrel. Wetin happen be say when I be 12 years old, dem bin kill my papa, and now for our front, dem kill am. And we all know the person wey kill am. But e don reach 17 years now wey my papa don kpai. This my friend dey date the son of the man wey kill my papa. And because like I talk, I fit do anything for her. Now so I call her as a friend, tell her the truth about the guy. Say na the guy papa, tell her the truth about the guy papa, and since then, she hates me. She can't start to dey call me names. I beg, I do wrong. May I just tell una say after some of these stories, they're very touching. So if una feel say you get anything good to tell this, but I beg sharply enter our Talk Wazobia. Tell us your mind for Twitter and for Facebook Talk Touch. That's Wazobia TV. Tell us what you feel about this incidents, whether the guy do wrong or you do right, or advise him. I'm sure saying that you go to listen to what they talk right now. So just put your contribution inside. Doctor, you hear what I talk about? It happened to person. I make the person.
What do you think? What do you think with the person do? Because now they ask whether I do anything wrong.
Waiting you do no wrong, yeah, really. And then me feel say you're not supposed to affect him. I mean, person hates you, no come on naira for your pocket unless you're not in the feed you. Person hates you, not make you shorter, you not make you longer or anything. So move on with your life and forget the person.
Yeah, I actually go with you. Now, that says sins of the father, they always rub off on the children. Now the sins where the father don't commit, now they rub off on this in particular picking. If they're very good, say you don't tell them, say, this man, the papa of this guy where you date actually killed my own father. It's okay, say you don't tell her. Now when she they hate you, call you names, leave her alone. Just leave them alone. Just let them be. Not be everybody you want me be your friend. If they don't want to be your friend, you can't force friendship. Trust me, you can't. Just let them be. If at the end of the day she come around to apologize, fine. But if she not come around to apologize, leave them, let them date, and let them move on with their life. And you move on with your own life too.
I feel say maybe number one, the person don't change. You know go fit know the person mind. Secondly, the person fit no change, can't be like him papa, you know fit no. So in case the person come back, beg you, say, see wetin they do, I beg, don't laugh the person. Sometimes when we dey fall in love, we dey kolo for head.
Yeah.
Make you just advise and accept the person the way e be. You know easy sha, but forgiveness is a big deal.
Like how you dey talk am now? Act like I dey like talk say I be advocate for love. I feel say the girl really dey in love with whoever that guy be, and to her, the guy dey pour sand for her garri. We don't know where this. We don't know the kind of family where the guy be. Whether for them to say is higher, the guy papa, they fit be on the top level.
I know.
For them to be able to kill person. So I just feel say make the guy just behave himself, shift back, because we really don't know wetin happen. Where we just call kill your papa, although it dey happen, but something go don't happen for under with demand by. So I just feel say you just be careful, because if they possible say that girl could definitely go tell the boy say, see wetin my friend tell me.
Just
Not
let them
true.
be.
She go won't actually know the truth.
Yeah.
Obviously, I know better you say yes, papa, kill your papa.
Yeah, just let them be. All right, you want to put your mouth inside. Our Facebook's today there for you, TalkTalk-Wazobia TV, and also Twitter, TalkTalk-Wazobia. Now, I tell you about fibroid and how a lot of women, they actually suffer on top of this particular sickness. So, time got for us to talk to doctor about fibroid. Now, doctor, fibroid, waiting this particular sickness be, and why they affect women?
Okay, fibroid now disease of the womb of a woman. Womb now where pikin they stay, and now where your menses from take they come. So fibroid now disease of that womb. Now that womb, it get 3 layers. We will still go the types of fibroid when they why some people they get problems, why some people they get problems. But then basically fibroid now disease of the womb. Why it affect people or why it affect Africans more? We no fit exactly talk, but then being black, being African is a risk factor.
No, but
It's
I
risk
actually,
factor.
no, just to say something, it's not just being African. I don't talk with a lot of doctors about them, and they give me analysis, say, now because the womb, they empty, now that they don't design the womb to actually accommodate baby. Now, when the womb is empty for a very long time, those things they grow, come out.
Okay.
I don't know how true that one
Okay,
be.
now let me I even can't go into the big
Yes,
details.
please, go into it.
The causes or the things where they cause them, where they cause fibroid. There's an hormone. There's one hormone in the female body.
Yeah.
It's nitrogen that they call them. Nitrogen, they don't implicate in the cause. You understand? Now, apart from estrogen, we can't get risk factors since if we put you at risk. 1, being black. Number 2, if you no get pikin or if you never get pikin. So you get this adage when they talk, say, bad girls, they get belly, but good girls, they get fibroid. So now, common adage among medical practitioners. So if person come, the fact say your menstruation, now estrogen the power menstruation. So if you never interrupt your menstruation, before ever, chances say you go get fibroid go daily so higher. And wasting the interrupt menstruation most times. Na belly. So if you touchlight, if you get advantage, you understand?
So this one can be like say you the advice.
Not waiting at the talk. I know they advise you. I just they talk the things where they cause them, the risk factors. But then it's more common among black, among Africans.
I get a question, doctor.
Yeah.
Before they will touch hair, they do everything. Shakara, I get my head. Now I just tire one day, I just stop to use relaxer. I can't they do natural hair as you they see so. Fine. It's fine. So now, I can't Google one day. I get association for people when they keep natural hair. They can't tell me, say, God make us black people to have our hair natural. Say, some things when they cause fibroid now, this texture, this relaxer, because of one of the ingredients when they... Now I can't go Google them. I check Google, I go browse. Not be small browse, I browse that night. My body fear me. Because they link the chemical when they inside the thing, when they, as you even wash and not everything they wash come out, if they go through our hair follicles, they enter. Now true? I mean not be true.
Make I tell you.
I need to make I find out now.
Yeah. People when get fiber, whenever even know waiting relaxer be plenty. 1, 2. Somehow, medically, almost everything is linkable. Like you can almost say that's why people go tell you say this one they cause cancer, that one they cause cancer. They tell you say recharge card they cause cancer.
Yeah.
Then say if you drink water,
Scratch up
if
your
you
name.
recycle, you leave water inside car,
Yeah, drink and the
all those things are just they fabulate one chemical, they add one thing to the other. But then research never prove waiting you they talk now. Say chemical they enter. Maybe one person just doing small research, or maybe between among 50 people or 30 people, and then feel say, okay, most of the women will come here, we get fibroid, they use relaxer. But then it's not scientifically, backed.
Okay, you get this question I'll ask, because I meet person, she talks say fibroid because we dey argue, and I say, because I really want to know what they like cause fibroid.
Okay.
She come talk say na medicine, some tablets. Say if you drink them, it go stay for belle. Say, sometimes when people get menstrual pain, then they give them some kind of tablets to they drink. So may you use and they help.
Or those after pills.
No, as in for medicine.
I don't hear of after pills too.
After pills, they say you go take menstrual pain. Say they cause the fibroid. Say they congeal the.
If they make them start, they make them grow.
Go ahead, they make them grow.
Wait, may we tackle the thing we say the after pills. Some of them contain that estrogen when we dey talk. Yes, some of them contain estrogen. In fact, there are different types of after pills. So you won't find out which one we not get estrogen, which one be progesterone only. Progesterone only is a little better, but generally after pills they distort your menstrual cycle.
So what of the one way they use for menstrual pain?
The one with no
to stop
menstrual pain usually just painkillers that they use. You don't get anything to do with the fibroids. Plus, you should also know that painkillers, they remove pain. Like they remove waiting they cause your pain. They increase your body threshold for pain. You understand? So waiting painkillers they do now just to tell your brain, say, okay, I know they get pain. But waiting they cause and still. Now why if the painkiller wear off after 30 minutes or 2 hours or 5 hours, you still feel the pain.
All right, we will actually need to pass one, but when we come back, you get some myths about fibroids that we need to address. Number one, they say women will get big belly, they get fibroids. How true will this one be? You're going to need to stay tuned with us when we come back.
My name is Gideon Okeke, and they watch
Talk Talk within our show
on top Wazobia TV.
Wazobia. Are they for Wazobia TV now?
Don't change that channel.
Hold on right there, not dull yourself.
You suppose stay on that dial. No go anywhere. I beg, no change the channel.
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.